Welcome to Doctor Studio, where cellular medicine is the answer to building resilience. Resilience is the only true wellness. You'll find here at Doctor Studio that we are quite sophisticated and yet down to earth and grounded in our approach. Our relationship starts with transparency and welcoming you into our studio, where we use science, medicine, and artistry to help you get to your goal. You'll see that we have several of our own brands. Studio Lean is a fat loss program that is really a deep wellness program addressing the very cause of fat storage, fatigue, lack of motivation, all of the things that seem to surround one who feels that they're struggling, with weight loss. We have art on the wall. We're very visual, very much believe in organization and methods and systems. And so our facility represents this type of organization, this type of process, this type of belief in teamwork and stating goals. This is my office where I frequently have video conferences and impromptu meetings with clients who come through the front door. This area here is where we do heart rate variability, carotid ultrasounds, looking at the carotid intimal medial thickening to diagnose the presence of plaque or very, very early warning signs for cardiovascular disease. Body composition is also done in this room, and that is the Juvent micro vibratory platform, the only one that is safe to use, in fact. This is where Dr. Duell practices chiropractic neurology. Some of my ideas, they're on big paper on the wall. I think quite forward when I have a marker in my hand and a big blank canvas. And there's a lot that happens in this room. Manual manipulation, as well as low intensity shockwave therapy for musculoskeletal issues. Clarity Direct, which is a direct oral feedback. The EVOC system, which is a qualitative EEG. We have the ability to measure your cognitive function and to pick up any early patterns of cognitive decline. It's very important to us that we are able to collect objective data so that we can really understand the problem, because a solution only comes from a full understanding of the problem. We invest in technologies that allow us to understand the challenges that are in the way of your optimal function so that we can fast track and get the mechanisms of wellness working in your favor. This is thermography. This is a medical grade thermography where we are actually taking a heat photograph of the body that points out areas of inflammation as well as the sympathetic nervous system stimulation. So we can tell a lot structurally. You can pick up functional changes everywhere in the body, the breast in particular. That image depicts the breast. 15, 20 years even before there's a structural change. So all disease starts as a functional change. We're able to see an inflammatory breast cancer with medical thermography that you cannot see on mammography. In this room, we do ultrasound, penile duplex Doppler ultrasound that gives us objective evidence for why erectile dysfunction may be a challenge for our client. Shows us whether it's venous or arterial or nerve related. We have beautiful art throughout the studio, so it's a very comfortable place to be, yet very high tech. This is one of our Ozone Rooms where we keep our supplies and we use the best possible equipment. Our exosomes, our stem cells are kept in this room as well. We have a break room for the staff. Some of our patients will come through here and put things in the refrigerator or make themselves at home with making lunch or sitting and relaxing is perfectly fine. It's open. Every detail is attended to on a daily basis. It's how we all enjoy living. This is a laboratory where we have, again, IV nutrients. We mix platelet-rich plasma. We have all of the safety devices that are necessary. We will dispense certain medications from here as well, and that's where we prepare our IVs. One of the treatment rooms, number 5, you can see very much organized to deliver a very comfortable service. The trifectas can be done in all of the rooms. This is IV ozone, UBI or UV blood irradiation, and nutrient drips that are run right in to support whatever target it is that the patient is needing some help and support with. Here's another treatment room where we do trifectas. We do platelet-rich plasma in each one of these rooms. This is more female-centered, if you will, where we do O shots for vaginal dryness and sexual challenges, U shots for urinary incontinence. We also will do hormone pellets in each one of these rooms. We have all of the devices that we need to support, again, ozone delivery. Our practice is very much built around how your body works and the mechanisms, so it's biochemistry. Love to have the biochemical mechanisms right on the wall so that we never forget that this is science. This is cellular medicine. This is understanding what the obstacles to wellness are at a cellular level so that we can build resilience. We have all of the technology and the know-how. This is our aesthetic studio. We have developed a skincare line called Studio Skin, as well as other Dr. Studio brands for peptides and nutrients. The aesthetic studio is where we do aesthetic artistry, whether it's injectables, dermal fillers, creating volume, microneedling, mint threads, advanced lifts, chemical peels. Those all happen at the studio. This is the North Conference Room where we sit with our clients and discuss their goals, discuss the progress, go over labs. We have some products on the shelf there that we have formulated specifically to meet our clients' needs. So this conference room gets a lot of use. There is the nurse's station to the right and various, again, more art. We have restrooms right in the facility. I know it might seem sort of strange to show you the restrooms, but the way you do anything is the way you do everything. So I just wanted to show you around and be very transparent. That was the men's room, and this is the women's room, even though we use both. We're pretty casual here, but you can see very inviting, very serious, very welcoming, very pleasant. You are our guest at Dr. Studio. We will always be ready for you. We'll be ready to serve you. We care about how you feel when you're with us. We care about how easy it is to interact with us. Our self-conference room, where we go through different models in helping you to understand what might be going on and how it is that we can help you build resilience. A lot of technology, all kinds of objective evidence so that we can get you through a process to building your resilience and realizing a state of wellness that may be new for you. Welcome.